The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is widely rumored to be Samsung's next premium foldable flagship, building on the success of its Galaxy Z Fold lineup with even bigger screens, more advanced cameras, enhanced productivity features, and cutting-edge performance. Leaks suggest it could feature a large 8.2-inch LTPO AMOLED main display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.5-inch cover AMOLED screen also at 120Hz, combining a tablet-like experience when unfolded with a powerful smartphone in hand. Camera upgrades are expected to be significant, with a 200MP primary sensor, high-end telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, and dual front cameras on each display, delivering versatile imaging that competes with top flagship phones. Rumors also point to a 5000 mAh battery with fast wired and wireless charging, robust water and dust resistance, premium materials like Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 protection, and return of S Pen support for productivity and creativity. Under the hood, the Fold 8 Ultra is expected to use a high-end Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, ample RAM/storage, and the latest Samsung software with deep Galaxy AI integration to boost multitasking, smart features, and adaptive UI experiences, making it a compelling choice for users seeking the most advanced foldable device Samsung has offered when it launches, likely in mid-2026.